of your heartbeat.
What's going on, guys? This is the first attempt at a same day edit. It's gonna be a little later than posting on our normal hours of 5 o'clock, but still wanted to try something different and I wanted to get some work done. With that being said, today we are working on my tow rig. As I don't know if you guys saw in the last video, we ended up squatting pretty heavy with having the Corvette on the trailer, and the truck was kind of just sitting all crappy. So I don't want to be liable with this on this install video, as Firestone isn't sponsoring this or anything. So we're just trying to get the truck on the lift, slap it on, make a vlog out of it, maybe work on a couple other things. But other than that, it's just same day edit. So let me discuss exactly what I have done to my truck so you guys kind of know what's going on. We got the Firestone Ride Right. I'm gonna put the actual link below where you can get it. It's not bad, it's like 200 bucks. You can't beat it. Now, here's the thing. I got Bilstein 5100s in the rear. They do say if you have like a 3-inch lift, it can't work. This only raises the rear, I think, 1.5 inches. So we should be okay. There is some, you know, your truck is used. So you do need to get rid of this bump stop right here and then put your airbag. There should be like your little nipple thing that sticks out right here for your actual bag itself, so you can run the line all the way back here. It is dirty, so that being said, I'm gonna try and kind of pre-assemble right here, and then we should be able to good to go. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod, hit that time lapse, and yeah. Just so you guys know how humid it is right now, this is my face. It's soaking wet, and all I did was take the bump stop off. It's super humid. Summer is not done. Even though it's fall, officially fall, it isn't. So we got one bag installed. It wasn't that bad. I'm kind of a little nervous with these actual brackets right here bending a little bit. Try not to put too much pressure, but also want to make sure that it doesn't get loose when I'm driving, or I don't always have to double check these things. I know that's a given because you should double check everything, especially after 2 weeks of driving on it. Just want to make sure, especially since we're not using Loctite. But other than that, the kit looks a lot better compared to the standard bump stop over here. I don't know if you can see it. We took the bump stop out, and then we got that out, and we got the bag in. We would have to drop the car a little bit in order to make that happen. Guys, I know it looks super disgusting. Now I kind of know exactly how to put the one side bag in. I'm gonna do the same exact one side here, but now I'm also gonna make sure that I have the bag already on the mount, so that when I do put it in, it's not that big of a headache to actually get to this bolt right here. Alright guys, so we're getting to the nitty gritty of this thing. I'm almost done running the lines right now. I believe we're gonna mount it to here. I'll find the exact mounting point. But yeah, for right now, let's just keep going. All right, homies, I'm a wreck. I'm gonna put the car down on the lift, well, the truck down in the lift, and then we're gonna try and fill it up with some air, spray some soap and water, and see if we did an okay job. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but the bags are installed, and they don't look like they're squishing or nothing. Let's just make sure that everything is all good to go under the actual truck. See how much we could lift it up to. I mean, this only took like maybe an hour, hour and a half. It's already dark out somewhat, it's raining. So other than that, the Firestone Ready to Ride Right airbags were pretty easy to install. I want to double check everything and make sure everything's tight, because pretty positive I tightened everything. But just since it's my daily and it's my truck, I always want to make sure that I tighten down everything. Down the line, I might actually take everything apart, put some Loctite on it. It sits really high right now, a lot higher than what the 5100 sits on. But I mean, you're getting this little piece right here, the bump stop, and you're switching it out with a whole fat little bag right there. And yeah, like, we're gonna double check it and make sure everything's good, but this should be perfect for towing. My hands are dirty as hell, but yeah, that's just basically what we did today. I gotta actually get to doing more shirts and stickers for first class fitment. Tomorrow we're gonna try and get on, depending on the rain, gonna try and get the Supra on the lift. We'll try and get some stance going on for you guys, maybe bring that to first class fitment. I wanna tow the truck, I wanna tow with the truck and try out this whole new airbag system, but we can't do that unless we actually have some tongue weight in the back with that. But right now I'm pretty happy with the overall install. And special thanks to Roger for making this happen. It was an actual real good time installing this thing, and the truck actually sits a lot higher than it was before. I'm gonna double check. I know that you're supposed to sit on 5 PSI of air on the airbag for right now, but see what happens. Hopefully the front is leveled out enough to the point where the back doesn't look gigantic. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace. You want it only.